Hi, in this video, I'm going to go over a few adjustments that need to be made to the settings in Windows Journal before we actually use it to start creating video lectures. These changes only need to be made the first time we open Windows Journal, as we will create a template that will save these changes so that Journal will automatically look like this when we open it up in the future. We make all these setting adjustments while we're in the notebook mode. This way we can use our mouse and keyboard to navigate around and make changes. What you see on your screen right now is what Windows Journal looks like the first time we open the program. We're going to go ahead and make 5 changes now. First, we go to File, then we go to Page Setup, and we automatically come to this Paper tab, which is good, and we want to select Portrait Orientation. So that's the first change. The second change we want to make is we go to this Style tab over here, and then under Line Style, we click on this drop-down menu, and we're going to go ahead and select Blank. The third change we want to make is that we click on this Background and Title Area tab, and then over here, I'm going to go ahead and uncheck this option next to Show Title Area on Note. So these are the first 3 changes we've made. I'm going to go and click Set as Default. Then I'm going to hit Apply. And then I'm going to hit on OK. Now the fourth change we make concerns the pen settings. So I'm going to go and click on this drop-down menu and hit Pen Settings. Over here, we want the tip style to be on point. We want the thickness to be on fine point. And then we want to pick a color. So we try to avoid using black, and any other color really is fine. So if you don't see the color you want over here, you can go and click on More. And so say I want a shade of blue. So I'm going to click over here, and then I'm going to click on the color that I want over here. So it's going to get darker as I go down. So say I want this color, and then I'm going to hit on OK. So that's what we have over here. Then I'm going to click on OK. The fifth change I'm going to make is that I'm going to remove this toolbar that we see on top. To do that, I'm going to go and hit on View. Then I'm going to click on Toolbars. And I'm going to uncheck any of the options over here that are checked. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and remove Standard. Then I'm going to go back, go to Toolbars and remove Pen. So they both disappeared. Now, I know I'd said there were only 5 changes that we were supposed to make, but there are actually 6. So the 6th and final change that we make is that we go to View, then we go to Zoom, and then we hit 150%. Then we go back to View, and then we hit Full Screen over here. So this is how Windows Journal should always look before we start using it to create video lessons. Fortunately for us, by creating a template, we don't have to go over making these 6 changes we just made every time we open Journal. So to go ahead and make the template, we hit File, then Save As. Then on the Save As type drop-down menu, we select Template over here. And I'm going to go ahead and call it Calisage Template. And then I'm going to go and hit Save. And over here, I'm going to click on Save Existing Ink Pictures and Text Boxes so they can be edited. And then hit OK. Now to ensure that Journal always opens with the Calisage template we just created, for that we go to Tools, then to Options, then we select this Note template, and we're going to browse for the template we just created. So it's right over here, the Calisage template. Select that, Apply, and OK. So now every time I open Journal, it'll always open with the template we need to use and look like this. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you again later.